And now an interesting story about you never know what you're going to get at the end of the day. Well, the two Alger County teens are behind bars tonight, and an Iraqi war veteran is being credited for helping to catch them. Michigan State Police from the Munising Detachment responded to the Oasis gas station in Shingleton yesterday for a breaking and entering. And that was about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Police say there were two suspects wearing ski masks who had forced their way into that gas station, but the suspects did not know that the owner was in the building. Sean Shank reportedly found the suspects at his cash register, and he took action into his own hands, literally. Police say Shank ran toward the suspects and kicked one of them, causing that suspect to fall to the floor. Shank then retrieved an AR-15 assault rifle from his office and ordered the two men to leave his business. Now, during the altercation, one of the suspects peeled off his mask and pleaded not to be shot, pleaded with Shank to not shoot him. The pair ended up leaving the store. Shank called 911. Now, here's the thing. He recognized one of the burglars, and then police got an ID on the second one. A 17-year-old Shingleton resident and an 18-year-old Munising resident were arrested for breaking and entering. Tonight, they're in the Alger County Jail.